Soon Oliver was loaded and on his way. The snow was cold. It had frozen the points and diverted Oliver into the station sidings. "Oh, shiver my boiler," cried Oliver. His driver applied the brakes. "Is there a problem, Mr. Oliver?" "Yes! There is!" That could have been a little smoother. Oliver felt awful. He thought the children would be upset about their snowman.
Hello, my name is Thomas. I hope you enjoyed this video with all my really useful friends. If you'd like to watch more, press the subscribe button below and check out another video with me and my friends in. See you soon!